Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I've been taking a little bit of a break from YouTube and school. I've just been working really hard. I work like 6 days a week and I've been trying to hang out with my friends and family and my boyfriend a little more, so I apologize for the leave of absence here on YouTube, but I'm back. I'm ready to crush it this year, so Happy New Year. I hope you guys all had a really happy holiday season, and without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into the video. I'm going to keep this short and sweet because I'm not an expert, but I did recently come across a Bitcoin. My boyfriend turned me onto this, and my mom knows a little bit about it as well. And basically what Bitcoin is it's a form of digital currency created and held electronically, and it's not anything physical. Like, it's not a dollar or a euro or anything like that. And the other really cool thing is that no one controls it, like the government, or no one federally controls it. No country controls it. It's global. It's worldwide. So I just think that's really cool. And a lot of people produce Bitcoins. I'm reading online. Sorry. Increasingly, businesses running computers all around the world. And yeah, it's basically this whole cloud of cryptocurrency. So I'll leave a couple links down below explaining what Bitcoin really is and how it works, because I'm not an expert. I'm not in a position to tell you guys that either. But it's just a really cool concept. It kind of sounds like it's going to be the next big thing. So the cool things about Bitcoin is, A, you can make money off of it. Like, it's almost like an investment. So you can put in like you can buy like $100 of a coin, and let's say a coin costs like $14,000, and then in a week maybe the coin costs $20,000 to buy. So your $100 that you put in is now worth a lot more than $100, which is pretty cool. So you can definitely make a lot of money off of it. And the other really cool thing is you can pay people not from Bitcoin, but you can pay them in Bitcoin or something like that. There's different websites. I use one called COINBASE. So like if I owe my boyfriend $10, I can scan his QR code and send him $10 worth of Bitcoin or something like that. So I'll leave my QR code up here in case none of you guys know what a QR code is or whatever. That's what it looks like. So if you want, please feel free. You can scan my QR code and send me like $10 to my Bitcoin wallet, and that's pretty much how that works. If you do actually decide to send me money, I'll just put it towards giveaway. Don't worry, I'm not a weird person. But so it's really cool. You can send money that way. Like if you owe someone overseas money, I don't know what you're doing, but you could do it that way. So it's just this really cool thing I thought I would share with you guys. My boyfriend is like damn near an expert on it. He talks to me about it every day. I'm sure he would refute that and say he's not, but he knows a lot about Bitcoin, so I've been really thankful to hear about it. It still confuses me a little bit, but I think it's a really cool concept because it's not, I think I already mentioned this, but it's not backed by anyone. Like, people are the network. People control it. People like you and me, just by buying and selling Bitcoins. It's pretty neat. I thought I would just share this with you guys. I know this is a random weird little video to start off 2018, but who knows, maybe this will help you make some money in some type of way, and that'll be a really good year, right guys? But yeah, so anyway, I'll leave a lot of helpful links for you guys down below. Thank you for watching this random little video. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay tuned. I have 2 more videos in my head that I probably will just record right after I end this one. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm judging you pretty hardcore. So yeah, that's about it. Bye guys.